Unit 4. Rain. The rain is raining all around. It falls on field and tree. It rains on the umbrellas here and on their ships at sea. Robert Louis Stevenson.
New words: field, umbrellas, ships.
Counting clouds. Let's complete the story. As one little white cloud floated in the sky one day, another little cloud called out, "Come, let us play." As two little clouds danced in the sky so blue, another little cloud asked, "Can I join you?" As three little clouds held hands in the sky, the wind blew another little cloud very close by. As four little clouds decided what to do, another little cloud joined them very quietly too. Santhini Govindan. Who am I? Riddle time. I go up and down a lot, whether it is cold or hot. Sometimes I am on the ground. Other times I am in the clouds. My name rhymes with daughter. I'm your friend named Water. Storm in the garden. Sunu Sunu, the snail, is playing with his friends, the ants. Suddenly, there is a storm. He hurries to his mother and tells her all he saw and heard. Sunu Sunu, the snail, was visiting his friends, the ants. They climbed all over him. He. They climbed under him. He. Suddenly, a great white light crashed through the clouds. Sunu Sunu quickly pulled in his head, pulled in his tail, and sat very still. Outside, the sky grew dark and the crows flew past. Caw, 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 caw. Oh, but where were the ants? Sunu Sunu stuck out his feelers and looked for them. They were hiding under a flower pot. Go home, Sunu Sunu, the ants cried out. Hurry, hurry, your mother will worry. Sunu Sunu went to his mother, where she sat under a stone near the well. Amma, said Sunu Sunu, there's a storm in the garden. I heard the wind blow, blow, blow. Ooh, 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 ooh. I saw trees sway, sway, sway. Shy, 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 shy. I saw lightning flash, flash, flash. Zuck, 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 zuck. I heard thunder roll, roll, roll. Gadam, gudum, gadam, gudum. I heard rain fall, fall, fall. Sitta, sitta, pitta, pitta, sitta, sitta, pitta, pitta. I heard water drip, 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 flip, 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 flip. It was the biggest storm Sunu Sunu had ever been in. Ooh, ooh, shy, shy, zack, zack, gadam, gudum. Sitta, sitta, pitta, pitta. Sitta, sitta, pitta, pitta, flip, 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 flip. And do you know what? Sunu Sunu didn't get wet. Do you know why? Sandhya Rao.
New words: snail, dark, feelers, storm, lightning, thunder.
Let's sing. Out in the garden each fine day. With my ball I like to play. I bounce my ball, I bounce my ball. I bounce my ball on each fine day. Out in the garden each fine day. With my kite I like to play. I fly my kite, I fly my kite. I fly my kite on each fine day.